Kinong elam snong lembat ki pajba ki basyong basa haki snong ki padon hakathai narbong bernihat Haribhoi district kila kemen bamenta kasngi bauba sustenance so tun emele ke jirang ulet man pelat pajba yakoi ke kali ke nong pang ambulance ke bol IT jak rural development committee narbong circle kanang bakte ke kali ke nong pang kan aji sekri ke bajanai gi pajba hakate ke than habai dei bakte ke kali ke nong pang kaba ubala pelat pajba menta kasngi uba sustenance so tun ulong balathit yakate kali ke nong pang lengba ka skim SRWP haka jinglut kebakot syakati khat arlak bat nalor kata lapen janai bat pen bah hakadur juga kalikit nong pang da kejingrap ki wepat kiri kulut mensim hakate kesngi bala plat patba ya kate kalikit nong pang lasaki da kejingdon kinong elam snong lembat kiri rang ba jong kate kathan narbong
Saya ini kasih sponsor.
Very special day, the 23rd of January 2025. It's myself as the MLA. I would like to thank God Almighty for the blessings that He has given to the people of my constituency. And we are standing in front of this ambulance which is ready to go and ferry the needy, the patients, to take them from each and every village. And on this day before I do the ribbon cutting as a sign of releasing of this ambulance, I would like to thank all the headmen, Vietnam Luka, Narbong Circle, Bosti, 14-15 villages, सबको हम धन्यवाद देना चाहता है, and the Narbong committee have worked hard for this day to make it a grand success. Thank you so much. And as a mark of and a sign that we will release from today so that people will get to use for this ambulance, so I will do the ribbon cutting, and I hope that this ambulance will serve the purpose to each and every community, each and every village here in and around the Narbong Circle. Thank you.
Thank you. One from Health Department. Let's come. Take the vehicle number also.
Mention ya ke Health and Wellness Center, ya ke Health and Wellness Center, ngalayo ban ay ya ke assurance lana ke jingkular akmat kinong ilam baro ba ya ke ambulance nagabenta ki pajba ki badon hakini kithan ki ba ya kendu sibun ki jing namar ba ngimpat yo ya surok ba paka ting nilai persang banwara ada kini ke ambulance ke ba day ka four wheel aga ba on pensuk nagabenta ki nongpang ban late ban shaw na ban kit syaki jaka sumar di kini kadai haga jinge penbet lang ringkat bat ka rural development committee jong kini ka Narbong Circle kaba kini ki noyelam nadu ki rangba snong ki ba fair nangta ki members ki bisimkia nagabenta kini ka circle Narbong hakaba kilaya wan shekmat nagabenta banchim ya gajingket kli kumno banla ban aya kajing shekri ka babha nagabenta ki pajba ki badon hapo jong kenika Narbong Circle ting sokben ban penpau khmat jong thi baro ba ka scheme kadai khat arlak na ka SRWP ka scheme ka balabu kerpang ya way MLA ngalayo ban ai kumbakat arlak na ka scheme SRWP but hagajug por namar ba ka ambulance kadai ka 4-wheel ngi kemla ban pendap hagibide tang na ka scheme but ngalayo ban ai daka donation bat ringkat bat ki perlok ki baya contribute lang bat nga ban yarap basilak sanho ban pendap ya ketika ambulans singilayo ban pili metagas ni ai ba kenika ambulans ka bangi pili metagas ni kan long ka ban penmentoy nagamenta ki pa nong song baro ki bahap hapo jong kenika circle nang ban pensuk iki bakin lek ban kit ya kinong pang nagamenta bakin yo ban ai ya ki jing sumar ki bakham kloy nagamenta jong ki de